So in this video, you'll learn how to show or hide your caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the phone app on your device, and then you want to ensure that you're in the keypad section. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. And under your call settings menu, you want to go to Supplementary Services. Wait for the Supplementary Services to load. And then once loaded, you should see the section for SIM1. If you have two SIM cards added, you should also see SIM2 right underneath it. So in order for you to show or hide your caller ID, you have to start by selecting the option Show Your Caller ID. By default, it's set to your network status. So if your network automatically hides the caller ID, then your caller ID will be hidden. And vice versa, if it shows your caller ID will be shown. If you want to hide the caller ID without leaving it at the network default, then just tap on Never, wait for the changes to be loaded, and now your caller ID will be hidden. If you want to show your caller ID, you can tap on Always, and then the changes will be applied, and then your caller ID will be shown. Or if you know what your network default is, you can always choose to select it, whether you're showing or hiding your caller ID. So it's completely up to you to decide which of these three options you prefer to use whenever it comes to your caller ID. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.